This is directions on how to complete your graphing on the coordinate plane center. First thing you should do is you should have a paper that looks like this, and then like a little half sheet that has all of our ordered pairs on it. Okay, so the directions say, graph and connect each consecutive point until you reach the word stop. Then start a new line. Continue to connect each point until you reach stop again. So you can see right here I have a stop right here and a stop right there. So all that means is I'm going to connect all of these dots that I'm going to plot together. And then I will connect all of these dots that I have together. So I'm not going to connect my red and purple dots together. I'm only going to connect the ones that are the same color. So I connect my red up until the word stop. And then once I get to my purple, I'll connect all of them until I get to the word stop again. Okay, so I'll show you an example of how this works. So I'm going to start with 913 as my first one right here. So remember, first thing we need to remember is when we are graphing, I don't know why that is so giant. Let me fix it. When we are graphing, the first number always goes on the X number line, and the second number goes on the Y number line. Okay, so 913, that means I'm going to find 9 on my X number line. So here is 9 right here. I'm going to put a mark. Then I'm going to find 13 on the Y. Here's 13 right here. Then I can connect them together. And then place my dot where the corner is. Now remember, you can use the lines to help you graph, but once you put the dot there, you need to erase the lines. Otherwise, it's going to mess up the picture it's going to make. Once you graph all of these, it's going to make a picture. So we want to make sure we erase all of the lines. Okay, then I'm going to keep going. So the next one is 1112. So I'm going to find 11 on the X. Here's 11 right here. And then 12 on the Y. Connect them together. Put a dot where the lines meet. And then erase my extra lines. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my two dots together. Okay, and then I'll just continue doing this, connecting my dots until I get to this word stop. Once I get to stop, I'm not going to connect it. I'm not going to connect this one and this one together. Okay, and if that's a little confusing, maybe ask your teacher to explain it to you, but try to graph it without having to ask your teacher. Okay, so I'll do one more example, 12, 11. So 12 on the X, right there, 11 on the Y, connect them together, put a dot where the corner is, and then erase my extras, and then I'm going to connect those together also. Okay, so just keep going. Once you finish plotting all of the dots on the coordinate plane, like I said, it's going to make a picture, and you will need to color your picture before you submit a picture of it on Canvas.